Kidnapping a woman from a traffic accident and sexually assaulting her once the charges against him dropped. Instead, the state upped the ante with new charges that could mean even more time in prison. Today, 76-year-old Bob Caruso appeared in Spokane Superior Court with new medical evidence that allegedly supports his claim that the sex was consensual. Only KXLY4's Jeff Humphrey was in court when Caruso's lawyer argued that his client is innocent.
Aaron, Caruso's defense attorney says the allegations made by the victims simply don't match up with the physical evidence that was collected by police and then later tested at the Washington State Patrol Crime Lab. Today, his lawyer argued that DNA and pelvic exams actually support Caruso's claims that the sex was consensual.
Spokane police told Bob Caruso he'd been accused of kidnapping and rape. The veteran attorney waived his right to remain silent and for the next 3 hours detailed for detectives what had happened inside his South Hill condominium back on September 6th. The victim claims that Caruso plied her with alcohol and drugged her with oxycodone, but a test of the woman's blood only turned up hydrocodone and methamphetamine.
The forensic evidence doesn't just fail to corroborate the victim's story. It actively contradicts her story.
The victim also told police that Caruso had handcuffed and sodomized her. However, tests done by the Washington State Patrol Crime Lab couldn't find her DNA on those handcuffs.
This woman is very clear that she was cuffed and that she struggled, and there is no DNA of hers on these cuffs, which is a much different statement than there's no DNA on these cuffs. There is DNA on both cuffs, but not hers.
Caruso's attorney also says swabs taken from the victim's private areas found no sign of Caruso's DNA or even semen. The victim's DNA was found on Caruso's penis, and the defense says that's from the consensual oral sex that Caruso has already admitted to.
Aaron, this sneak preview of the defense's case came as the state tried to tack additional charges against Caruso. The court not only denied the motion to dismiss the original charges, but allowed the state to add on 2 more first-degree rapes involving the same alleged victim. Caruso then pled not guilty to those new charges. He vows that he will be acquitted when his trial gets underway in June. Reporting live at the courthouse, Jeff Humphrey, KXLY4.